Hello, it's Martin here from New Leaf International. I'm just going to do one of my short video lecturettes again. This one is based on the integration of infrastructure and capability, and it's a model we use frequently at New Leaf when we're talking about programs, when we're designing programs, and certainly when we're working with clients for them to understand the power of joining things up in a systems thinking way. So the three circles represent three different sets of activities. The top one are the tasks associated with the implementation of improvement. The other two are infrastructure and capability. And what this means is that the infrastructure are the tools and techniques used to provide the right guidance and help to implement the tasks. The capability is around the individuals in the business and the teams in the business, their capability, and we sort of look at that as knowledge, skill and attitude, their ability to implement the tasks effectively. And what we say is that infrastructure is a key input into the tasks. That seems obvious. And also the ability, the capability of the organisation is also an input into the tasks. So if we need to implement tasks, improvements on machinery, core centre processes, whatever they are, we need to consider what tools and techniques are required and also what capability of the people. This rarely happens in an effective way. Many organisations just treat the individual pieces as silos, and often we see that capability tries to be provided through training sessions, workshops, various different training content, but it's stood in isolation, as well as the tools and techniques. But actually, an effective improvement program needs to make sure that both the capability and the implementation of the tools and techniques is done in an integrated fashion. The important thing to remember between the activities, the tasks, and the infrastructure and the capability is that there's a divide in the thinking. Whereas tasks are clearly what is it we're trying to do, and the infrastructure and the capability is the how are we trying to do it. And again, as much as this is simple thinking, it is rarely put together in a constructive way within an organisation. And basically, below that red line is an illustration of systems thinking. The thinking required between the processes, which are systems of the tools and techniques, and the capability, the process of how people go about things, is also a system as well. And that's why we always divide between the what and the how. And of course, the how is the total process, tools and techniques and capability to provide the most effective way of implementing the required tasks. Thank you.